Welcome to this Nedbank Financial Market educational series, proudly brought to you by our online share trading division. In this educational series, we will discuss various topics related to financial markets. Learning about trading and investing is essential for every client, as this will equip you to make more informed personal trading and investing decisions. In this session, we will continue exploring different screens on our trading platform to help you navigate around these. Please note that this session is on both a beginner and an intermediate level. Before we start, please refer to our disclaimer. In summary, you cannot regard this session as any trading or investment advice, as this information is provided for educational purposes only. Let us begin the session. In part 1 of this series, we looked at the dashboard, portfolio, and research center navigation tabs. We'll start this session by exploring the Payments tab. From the Payments tab, by using the horizontal menu, you can switch between depositing funds, balances, and queued payment screens. On the Depositing Funds menu item, you will find all the information you need to successfully fund your trading account. Please do read the section providing information on which account you need to use before you make a deposit. Please also remember to use your trading account number as a reference when making a payment. These steps will ensure that the funds reflect in your trading account timeously. It's important to note that trading cannot happen immediately after funds have been deposited. It can take up to 2 working days for funds to reflect in the Nedbank Private Wealth Bank account before being allocated to your trading account. Please fund your account in advance to ensure funds are available when you wish to trade. The other two menu items under Payments are Balances and Queued Payments. Under Balances, you'll see details of your cash broken down into source of cash. In other words, trading cash shows you your cash from equity trades, deposits and withdrawals. Income cash shows income distributions, and futures cash shows derivative cash flows. The important figure to focus on here is your opening cash balance. Further down on the screen, you will also find details of cash movements, credit balances, and any unsettled trades. If you move to the Payment Queue menu item, you'll find details of any payments currently queued to be paid out of your account. On the Market Indicators tab, you will find some of the charts we've already gone through on the Dashboard tab, but in this area of the site, the graphs have been given much more space, so you may prefer to view the indicators here. There's also a menu item for value and volume movers that you will not find on your dashboard. As previously mentioned, these graphs are dynamic. You can change the graph by clicking on the name, and you can change the period viewed by clicking on the time frames reflecting underneath each graph. By creating a watch list, you can keep track of market news that may impact your portfolio. This is an extremely important element to increase your trading success. To ensure we provide you with enough information to do the subject justice, we will be covering watch lists and company information in detail in our next video release. The Transactions tab will assist you to keep track of all your transactions. Under the Deals History menu item, you will see a list of all the trades you have made. The information here includes the share code, the date of the transaction, the number of shares, the price paid per share, and all the other costs associated to a transaction, such as VAT, straight fees, brokerage, etc. The arrows on the right-hand side of the table allow you to scroll to display additional columns. Under the Funds for Trading menu item on the Transactions tab, you can see a detailed breakdown of your tradable cash balances, cash movements, credit balances, and non-tradable cash balances. This screen will also assist you to keep track of any CFD and margin exposure you may have. You can access all your broker statements, broker notes, and tax reports under the Statement menu item on the Transactions tab. Please note these documents are all password protected. You will need to type in your account number, which is displayed in front of your account name, to open these documents. Monthly statements will also be emailed to you at month end, and broker notes will be sent as and when trading occurs. The email documents are also password protected, and you will need to use your account number to open these documents as well. The final menu item under the Transactions tab is Closing Balance. Here you can find a list of all transactions on your accounts. You can select whether to view details on your trading account, futures account, income account, money trader, or Nedbank deposit note details by using the drop-down list next to the Select a Closing Balance Type field. You can also select a time period you want to view by using the From and To Date Selector fields. And lastly, you can export all this information in an Excel spreadsheet. If you have any orders in the market, you can view these on the Orders tab under the My Market Orders menu item. Conditional orders are tracked under the My Conditional Orders menu item. Please note that you will not be able to place conditional orders unless live pricing is activated for your account. This service comes at an additional cost. If you would like to activate this option, please contact the help desk for assistance. The contact details for the help desk can be found by clicking on the phone icon. Under the News tab, there are two horizontal menu items. Under Company News, you will find JSE Sends announcements, and under the Market News and Commentary, you will find daily market roundups. You can both filter and search on these pages for the companies that you are interested in. Under the Products and Instruments tab, you will find a list of instruments. By clicking on a name in the list, you can get further details about that instrument. The arrows on the right-hand side will reveal additional columns. Please note that it is not possible to trade in bonds on this website. If you wish to trade in bonds, please contact your broker or call our online share trading contact center. You can get the contact center number by clicking on the phone icon in the green bar at the top of the site. The final tab on our site contains market tools to assist you in your analysis of the shares you are interested in. We will cover how to set up and use these tools in one of our more advanced video sessions. In the meantime, you can use the trading ideas and fundamental research available to you on our Research Center tab. We have reached the end of this video. Still to come in this introductory section are explanatory videos on how to set up a watch list and how to trade. This educational video was brought to you by Nedbank Online Share Trading. Any examples used in this session are purely for illustrative purposes. Thank you for your time.